So in case you're a heavy post-it notes user, you might actually really find this app very useful. And it's called Post-it by 3M Company, and as the name suggests, it actually is post-it notes for your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can actually create post-it notes on the fly. So let's say I have something called do laundry. Now, one thing I do like about this app is that you can actually go back and undo as well and fix your mistake, and you can select different colors as well, and you can do text as well. And then you add it and it's saved on your mobile device. But that's not the most interesting feature. It's actually the camera feature, which lets you take a snapshot of your post-it notes and it transcribes it. It's actually the camera feature that lets you take a snapshot of your post-it notes and transcribes it as well. So let's do a demonstration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write some text here on my notes. Hi, my name is Tom and welcome to my channel. Let's see how it goes. So there we go. Now I have to make some distance because the app is designed to only recognize post-it notes. And there we go. So it's able to recognize the note, and I'm going to create a bold, and let's see how it transcribes it. So because of my writing, it transcribes it slightly incorrectly, but if you have like really good handwriting, it will be perfect. So it's very close to what I actually wrote. However, not 100% accurate, and that might also be because the mistake I made while writing channel. Yeah, and going into settings, as I mentioned, now I see actually that the handwriting recognition is still in beta, so that's why I guess it's not 100% accurate. You do have the themes option as well, so if you want to do it dark, you can. I prefer the light mode. And then you have the camera options, and if you want to disable hints or to disable or enable grid lines, you can do that as well. Looking into Trello, so in case you have a Trello account, you can actually associate it with it as well. And that's pretty much it for all the options that the app offers. And then of course, yeah, there's the color option as well. So I prefer the yellow, 3M yellow, but in case you like blue, you can do that as well. And then your post-it notes will be blue by default. You can change it from here as well. So in case you want red or any other color out there. And that's what the app has to offer. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this app, and I hope you guys find it very useful for your notes. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful.